Hi there. This is Atlassian Summit 2014, and I'm here with
JC from Kitologic for FOLIO.
Okay, and you've created a plugin, FOLIO plugin. I've heard so many good things about it. Can you summarize quickly what you do?
Well, FOLIO is actually a financial plugin for JIRA, so it helps to do financial management inside JIRA. So it brings the money value inside JIRA.
Financial management, that means it's for manager, for CFOs, for product owners, for everyone who deals with money in my company, right?
Exactly.
So if I'm an agile team, I maybe still be focusing on delivering value,
Yeah.
but at least the product owner will have to deal with business value and all the other people.
Somehow,
in the,
yeah.
Okay, so what we see is the overview of one folio, or folio is a project, as I learned.
That's it, yeah. So to define a folio, what you need exactly is just a time frame. So you need a start date and an end date, and you need to associate it to a scope, so a set of issues. Of course, it can be cross-project. It's based on a JIRA self-filter.
Yeah, and this is a drop-down thing, right? I can click on any link here and then go into the detailed
it navigates
cost
inside
things.
FOLIO, so it will bring you to the right
Now
screen.
it brought me to costs, and I have plan costs, actual costs, nice forecast chart. And then what's revenues?
So if you're a service company and you want to track the revenues and you want to track your profitability, then you can actually enter all your revenues inside FOLIO.
And all the data will live within my JIRA, right? You're not posting that to any server out there.
Absolutely
it's going to be in my behind the firewall
it's in the
instance.
same database
Yeah,
of
okay.
JIRA.
Which also means that you're not available on demand, right?
Exactly.
So you'll we have this Swift service, so people could use that one if they want to host. Okay. And then there's these teams. What does it mean?
So as soon as you have your FOLIO, the first thing you want to do is to create a budget for your scope. So you have to figure out how much you think it's going to cost you to make the scope, to achieve the scope. After when you did the budget, what you want to do is to build your team. So who's going to work on the scope? So from the team screen, what you can do is actually just going to delete these people and start from scratch. There you go. So you can import a team from another FOLIO, import it from a CSV file, or create one by one the users or the team members for your FOLIO. You have access to the work log, so you can see who.
So I can do that in the middle of my project, also, right?
Yeah,
if I'm in a JIRA project right now and people come bugging me about the budget, I can use FOLIO now and report all the stuff to them.
That's
right
it,
now.
exactly.
Yeah. And as I saw, and what you said is I can use another FOLIO. So
to import it.
So okay.
You can import it from or external file or
even I can do that, although I'm very illiterate at this point. And then just import.
That's
awesome. And then so it's kind of my template, my usual team member structure.
Exactly.
And then I already see like what they cost and
exactly.
How
So
that
if
works.
they have worked on the project, as soon as you go into the cost, the actual cost, or the reports.
I'm sorry, I should go to the cost.
Yeah.
However,
so if you go in the cost, I think it's
there's no reports. Yeah.
So in the cost, you'll see that you'll have all. If it's coming, yeah, there you go. And let's go to actual.
And this is all like with keyboard strokes.
Yeah,
you can use that.
all keyboard
Cool.
shortcuts.
Yeah.
So you can see here in the cost, you see all the titles,
The teams and the users and how many.
Yeah, was the cost.
And I learned that I can use that both when I have booked times and also if I don't book times, right?
Exactly. So you have three ways of dealing with hours for team members. So the first thing you'll have is
Work
an
logs.
option with the work log. So you can sync FOLIO with the work log. So we'll actually get all the work logs from JIRA, even if you enter it by temp or timesheet or any other add-ons. You can always overwrite whatever was entered in a work log. It doesn't alter the work logs. It's kept in FOLIO, so you can always jump back to the work log. Or if you don't want to sync it, if you don't use the JIRA work logs, you can leave FOLIO to evaluate the hours. So it's based on the allocation. So here it's 100% allocated.
Okay.
And the time the time per day, the hours per day, and the hours.
Awesome. That's not bad. Yeah.
So it evaluates for you, but you can always overwrite what FOLIO proposed to you. And of course, we have access to, we provide a REST API, so you can actually bridge it to another system.
Okay, now I'm in this JIRA project, and I've learned that JIRA can help me do this task management awesomely, this coordination awesomely, doing this agile awesomely. But now I'm bugged with bucks, like with dollars. Yeah. People ask me about costs and revenue and business value and all this stuff. And that's basically what you're doing for me,
exactly,
right? Yeah.
Exactly.
So, and do I have any prerequisites?
JIRA is the only one.
Okay, I need to have JIRA behind the firewall. If I want to host it, you can do that with our Swift service. Yeah, then the plugin costs something. What does it cost?
It's pretty much the same as the other plugins, like JIRA Agile.
Okay.
So I think it's half the price of JIRA.
Okay, awesome.
And we have exactly the same policy, so you have the renewal rates at 50%.
It's a market-based plugin, right?
Yeah, exactly.
Okay. And you've been around for quite a while. I've heard a lot of things.
I'm the founder of Greenhopper.
Yeah.
So, and formerly, JIRA Agile, formerly Greenhopper. And this is actually my second plugin.
Awesome. Yeah. So you've been the lucky guy who sold Greenhopper to Atlassian. Congratulations on that. I didn't know that until now. Yeah. Awesome. If you're also struggling with getting more dollar information out of your JIRA, you should definitely look at FOLIO. I've heard a lot of good things, as I said. You can evaluate it. I assume that I could approach you with my questions, support questions.
Of course.
Okay.
You have access to the website, to a contact form, send us the questions, spam us with the questions. We love it.
Yeah, awesome. And then I wish you good luck at Summit.
Thank you very much.
And good luck with this FOLIO plugin.